Hey, what exercise equipment is this?
This is an avenue and this is an exercise.
What is it before?
Is used to train the muscle, especially the abs.
How do you use the app?
You kneel on the mat, hold the wheel and roll it forward and back.
It difficult to use.
It can be challenging, so beginner should start slowly.
How many times do you surely do it?
I usually do 10 to 12 left to 3 sets.
That sound when tough but effective.
Yes, it's very effective. Yeah.